Karzame Escort Request tutorial. In this video, you'll learn how to request a short-distance escort using the Karzame Virtual Safety Assistant app, a safety-first tool designed to protect you during trips and support real-time investigations if needed. Your safety is our top priority. If anything goes wrong during your journey, our security partner, Dimjogs Security Technology Limited, will track and apprehend any culprits involved, and all investigation and response costs are fully covered at no charge to you. Let's walk you through the process. First, download the Karzame app by visiting www.karzametechnologies.net and selecting the Android version only. Then, register your account, choose your state of residence, and enter your correct home address. Each address is verified by our security agents to ensure your protection. Next, initiate your escort request by tapping Request Virtual Escort. Choose Personal Escort and then select Short-Distance Escort. Decide on your trip mode, walking or vehicle. If you're using a vehicle, capture or manually enter the vehicle's plate number. This step also applies to public transport options like tricycles, motorbikes, Uber, Bolt, InDrive, and more. Once done, click Start Escort to activate real-time safety monitoring. Please note, this is a testing environment. No actual charges will be incurred. For the payment process, select Pay Stack, click Continue, wait for the payment window to load, tap Success, and then click Pay 3,000 Naira. To finalize your escort, read the escort briefing to understand how tracking works, then tap the green button to complete your request. At this point, your trip is being tracked in real time, and you can close the page. Remember to keep your phone close and powered on, as it serves as your personal GPS tracker throughout the trip. If you need help during a trip, stay calm. Should an emergency arise, rest assured that assistance will begin immediately without any required action on your part. If you're able, contact us after your trip, otherwise we'll ensure you are safely located and brought home. For support, simply reach out via WhatsApp chat only at +2 3 4 90 6 8 9 3 11 188, where our team will swiftly coordinate with the police and local security on your behalf. Stay safe with Karzame, your journey, our priority.